Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Quality Inn Findlay. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Quality Inn Hotel is conveniently located just 2 miles from the University of Findlay, the Mazza Museum and Jeffrey's Antique Gallery. This hotel is close to local points of interest like Bowling Green State University, Bluffton University and Hancock Historical Museum. Visitors will enjoy hometown favorites. Shop downtown in our unique gift shops or at the Findlay Village Mall. There are several restaurants within walking distance. Findlay Hillcrest Golf Club and Carmike 12 cinemas are nearby. The Toledo Express Airport is about 1 hour away. Guests of the hotel are invited to enjoy full-service amenities like free hot, fresh and healthy breakfast with waffles and eggs, free wireless high-speed internet access, free coffee, free weekday newspaper and free local calls. Be sure to enjoy our outdoor pool, picnic area and the walking trail that surrounds the hotel pond. Business travelers will appreciate conveniences like in-room desks and a computer in the lobby. The hotel also has a meeting room. All rooms at this hotel come equipped with irons, ironing boards, coffee makers and hair dryers. Some rooms include kitchenettes, refrigerators and microwaves. Non-smoking rooms are offered. Pets are welcome with a nightly fee. Coin-operated laundry facilities are located on site for added convenience. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.